Hello everyone, I am the member of Neon Group. I have one question. Can train produce power, electricity? Well, it is very tough question, but yes, train can produce electricity. My project is based on power train. The trains are generating electricity. Well, this is very common fundamental about energy input in train. That the amount of energy is inputted in train, where the most proportion of energy is wasted in output, whereas small proportion of energy is used in a running train. So I came up with an idea to mitigate this problem. This is our virtual prototype of train where we have fixed small mini wind turbines on the train where when the train approaches to the station at that time the mini wind fan will tilt up 90 degree to stop the train and work as an alternate brake. Well, this problem we found from the Parliament station where we are standing at that station. We feel a wind coming from the tunnel when train coming through the tunnel. So this was the problem from which we get the idea about to make this project. Well, we all know that if we fix we fix fan on train number of train, it will create drag force. So the amount of drag force will help train to stop at certain times. So the amount of oil which is burned while braking the train, it will be reduced up to 60 to 70%. As well as the mini fans are connected with transducer and dynamo mechanism which will create a huge amount of electricity when they work on 90-degree angle. This is the technical part of our train that we fixed with the clamp the fans on the top of the train of each wagon, and each wagon will have 20 fans to fixed on 20 fans mounted on the train. They are fixed with clamp and they work from 0 degree to 90 degree on the train whenever they approaches to the station. This is the basic fundamental knowledge about wind turbine. That windmills start rotating, they collect energy to transducer and send it to the mains. As well as this is, our project is somewhat similar based like this technology that the fan which will rotate on the train, it will collect energy in transducer and send it to the mains of the railway station. So the amount of energy which is collected will be equivalent to the amount of energy which is used while train wants momentum from initial position. This is the first problem we face, that if we keep the train mini fan trains mini fan 90 degree, it will create drag force and it will reduce the speed of train. So we came up with the solution that we will keep our fans from 0 degree to 90 degree, a tilting movement whenever they are needed. At the We have advantages of our project, that our project is very eco-friendly, and we all know that Australia is moving to the sustainability, so it will generate hundreds of megawatt electricity per year in Melbourne. uh, First we took feedback from the 50 people of Australian citizen, and hopefully we get 100% approval from Australian citizen that as soon as on first basis just uh, uh, start working on this project. This is very good project. This was the feedback from us, and our uh, one of the main thing about sponsor, that who gonna sponsor our project. So our project is based with uh, Victorian government's public transport. So the sponsors will be sponsored by Public Transport Victoria. Thank you. Any queries? If you have any queries, just write in comment box.